Shalom friends, welcome to this video. It has come to my attention that some of you amazing people are actually going as me for Purim. I'm plotting. So to help you in this regard, and also because it's my birthday, I decided to deliver on a long-promised, long-awaited, much-requested video. Here it is, the definitive Miriam makeup tutorial. Okay, so first things first. If you want to do it exactly like I do it, the main thing is to listen to the Hadran Daf Yomi podcast by Rabbanit Michelle Farber while you're doing your makeup. Face primer. More blending. Look directly in the mirror, see if your wings are strategically aligned with each other. Sort of create a teeny tiny baby secondary wing under your first wing. It's coming along well. Now it's time for the rest of your face. There's a dog running around. This man is trying to catch his dog, and he's really convinced that that's gonna work. Sure, that dog has its own agenda. We're gonna blend it to smithereens, okay? Blend. Next, it's made from clouds. Highlighting. The tiniest of bits, okay? Inner part, make it even more sparkly. Do. Okay. Sort of take the whole view. Do I need to even up the edges of my brows or anything like that? So by the time you're done with this, you'll also be done with listening to the Hadran podcast. That's my morning makeup ritual. Shalom friends.